Hi, I'm Tom, I'm an engineer and a maker, and I run the Made with Layers YouTube channel, where I explore and teach about all things digital fabrication, but especially about 3D printing. Of course, this is a match made in heaven for the new KNIPEXtend interface. Not only can you attach the original KNIPEX accessories to them, like the color markers, but because it's such a simple interface, you can easily design and print or otherwise fabricate your own attachments as well. KNIPEX tasked me to create some printable designs that fit the KNIPEXtend interface, so naturally I tried to push the boundaries of what you can do with it. I'm sure there are specialty attachments that can make your line of work easier or more convenient, and this is the chance to make them real. Even if you don't own a 3D printer, I'm sure you have a friend who already does. So see my designs as inspiration and as a demonstration of what is possible. Let's start simple. Are you working with small screws and don't want to lose them? Magnets. I've made this magnetic catch tray that simply slides into place. Especially with longer handles, this is completely out of the way and you can just leave it attached and not worry about it. But what if you've already dropped your screws? Well, just strap an extendable pickup magnet to your pliers and you've got one less thing to worry about. You can even pick up your other pair of pliers. And to make sure they stay exactly where they need to, why not print yourself a simple belt or pocket clip? If you're not wearing a tool belt and want to keep your favorite KNIPEX pliers on you, this is it. I also wanted to see how far I could push the KNIPEXtend interface, so I came up with this. Granted, this specific tool combination is not for everyone, but it does actually work surprisingly well. For this one, I used a clamping mechanism to attach to the KNIPEXtend interface, and that makes for a really solid mount. Once you've got your job done, you get to enjoy a snack with some proper tools. And before you even think about marring up the finish on your jaws, just print yourself a compact bottle opener that lives on the KNIPEXtend. Of course, some of these attachments are a bit silly, but I found things like the magnet tray or the belt clip are actually so compact that you can just leave them attached and not worry about them getting in the way. Having the KNIPEXtend interface all the way at the back of the new 3K sleeves makes sure that if you attach accessories, they will be in a convenient position, and if you're not attaching anything, the pliers work and feel as if the interface isn't even there. If you want to 3D print these attachments yourself, you can find the files on Printables and Thingiverse, and if you create your own accessories, I'm excited to see what use cases you can come up with for the KNIPEXtend interface.